quick video of my birds feeding, my young birds, my 2022 birds feeding after about a 3-hour fly. They do some serious ranging every day, you know? They love ranging and doing their thing. And here we have mostly kittlebirds, best kittlebirds, or not birds. That's mostly, we have some or not mixes. We have mostly a blend of these birds. I am a new Loft starting in 2022. February, March. I get my first birds in February. I bought a bird from Madison Street Loft. Bird of Ghana's family parents, or Gainus, as some people would say. And that bird was, I think 8th. She was 8th. Central New Jersey combined race of 2002 birds. So I got her. Did a couple of rounds over her this year. The babies are flying really well. Really well. And then I started, you know, I knew which direction I wanted to take my Loft. This was mostly birds with good records, you know, descendants with good records. Primarily close up, and when I couldn't get that, I still went for what I wanted. So I have, like I said, some best kittle, some kittlebirds. I just imported a best kittle hen from Andres Drapa, Germany. That bird should be here any day now. I just saw that I got an email saying that the shipping label was printed from you know, so it should be here. Today's Tuesday, should be here by Thursday. And I did get a couple of other birds, imported birds, kittle birds. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm really ready, getting ready for my breeding program for 2023. That little splash right there, she's a inbred best kittle. Inbred kit. Yes, inbred best kittle. And this black check right here, that's feeding right now. Her parents are 3rd and 6th Hoosier and South African $1 million pigeon race. Her parents are. They've both won a total of $157,000 between them both. This little checkered white flag pen right here has the same kind of record. A red hen is a kittle hen. A white-tailed bird, she's a corn-out sharky bird. This little khaki colored Pied. She's one of my best flying hens this year. She's a kittle bird. She's really coming. She's coming with vigor. So that's kind of what I have here. Combination of best kittle, and some ornate stuff. You know, this is one of my first few videos. My first 3 videos. I know I already posted one. But so this is my young bird section here, and I'll probably have some of these birds for sale. They're all flying really great. The problem is, you know, I have a small loft. You know, it's 10 by 20. Look at this guy trying to sneak out. You know, my loft is 10 by 20. Come on, buddy. My loft is 10 by 20, and I can only have so many birds. You know, I think maximum I want to have in here. This section is 35 birds. Right now, I'm just about that, and to me, that's plenty. And I have to have this section again for next breeding season. So we see. I have my hens in here. They're kind of darkened right now. There. I have a 3R section here. This bird seemed a little bit strange this morning, so I put him in here. And this is my cock section. I can go in. This section is much brighter. There's some cocks out there. Little cocks. All those 3 rows of kettlebirds. 3 kettlebirds right there. Just wipe these lenses. Kettlebirds, and then we have my other cocks. That grizzle cock was just imported last week. He's mostly Ludo classens, and I'm gonna put him on some of my kettlebirds and see how it goes. These are my cocks. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I gotta go do some other things here, so thank you. I appreciate you. Peace and love. Happy flying. Heard this here at Air Champ Lofts. Thank you.